So check
and below the line.
Okay, cabin ready.
Abu Dhabi South East evacuated all maneuvering areas.
Cabin crew.
Advance.
Takeoff one way.
31 left, echo 15 confirmed.
That's confirmed. Back 1 and 2.
On.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Check. Departure looks okay, huh?
Yeah, departure looks fine.
Etihad 47 kilo, the wind is 240 degrees, 20 knots, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff. I've got VFR traffic inbound to Yas. He'll be well clear from both runway center lines, 500 feet and below.
Okay, that's completed. 47 kilo, clear for takeoff, thank you.
Okay, so takeoff?
Yes.
Yeah, ready. So park and brake. Off. Takeoff.
Tower South ADB6 request to change frequency 12195 ADB6.
ADB6 contact 121.95.
Man flex SRS runway. Auto thrust blue.
Check. Thrust set.
Checked.
Abu Dhabi Tower South, good morning, 512.
512 standby.
512.
100 knots.
Checked.
At 8484, radius 3.31 left.
Etihad 84 Echo, Abu Dhabi Tower South, Echo 15, line up and wait, runway 31 left.
Line up and wait, runway 31 left, Etihad 8484.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Get up. Now.
Check.
Leader 10. Abu Dhabi Tower South.
And Tower South 512 on call for sort of micro permission to proceed fire station 2.
512 proceed.
Abu Dhabi, good morning. Etihad 47 kilo, super passing 1100, taxi 1 kilo.
Etihad 47 kilo, super. Good morning, operator identified. Climb understood to flight level 150.
Climb and received, flight level 150, Etihad 47.
Okay, 150 and pull, please. Open climb, 150 blue.
Check.
Okay, autopilot, please. Thank you. So open climb, autopilot 2.
Check.
Okay, flap 0.
Speed check. Flap 0.
Checked.
Etihad 47 kilo, direct to taxi.
Direct to taxi, Etihad 47 kilo.
Okay, direct to taxi.